And welcome PowerPoint tricks. Today we're doing the new trick in PowerPoint that rehearse with the coach. So rehearse with the coach in the PowerPoint we have one option there you can rehearse with the PowerPoint. So let's suppose you want to present a presentation to someone, so you can rehearse with this PowerPoint. So PowerPoint will be help you how to speak, on the particular slide, what is your pacing, what is a pitch, and yourself how to filler the words, informal speech. So everything they will be give you the all the analytics about your speech and detect when you are being overly wordy and simply reading the text on a slide. So after each rehearsal you get a report include the statics and the suggestions for the improvements. So this is like the report you will get after the completion of the rehearse. The option is slideshow, tab, and select the rehearse with the coach. So you can see here this is showing that you have rehearse in the four slides, and total time spent is 0.45. So and this is a pace and your average pace over time. This is the average time. So let's see how the rehearse will be work. So I'm going here in the PowerPoint. Now I'm selecting here the slideshow. Then I'm clicking on the rehearse with the coach. So I click here. Now it's a started. Now let's rehearse here. So it's showing the pop-up here. Start rehearsing. So I started here. Now I'm welcome in PowerPoint. Rehearse with the coach. So this is about introduction. I'm reading this introduction here. Speaker coach is evaluate your pacing, pitch, and your use of filler words, informal speech. Now you can see here this showing the filler. You have put it the filler and the informal speech and the culturally sensitive terms. So try not use too many fillers like so it detects when you are being overly wordy and simply reading the text on a slide. After each rehearsal they will be give you the report of that one. Try to avoid the reading. So it's giving you suggestions every time whenever you are some using the filler words or anything you are using the bet. So this is the rehearse. So let's discard the slides, then they will be show the report. Now you can see here this is the report. Report is here. So I spent I use the four slides here. The total time spent is 0.59, and this is my pace is too much 130 words. Your pace is just right, keep it up. And you can see here your average pace over time is it's between 200 and 150. So and I'm using the filler. So in my videos maximum the fillers are there. So who that I'm using, so that is the bad. So I will improve this. And repetitive language so is a nice work. Your variety of word choices will keep your audience engaged. And the great job they're showing us, and this is the pace of your target. Okay, so all the statics about your slides they will be give you the about that introduction. To avoid a reading a slide, here I'm reading the slides, so that's the reason it's showing that particular slide where I'm reading the particular slide. So we need to explain the PowerPoint presentation. We are not just reading that presentation. So this is the rehearse. So rehearse is very good option in a PowerPoint. You can use it, and you can if you want to present to someone, so first of all rehearse with this PowerPoint, and they will be give you the more suggestions and more effective presentation uh, for making the more effective presentation. So this is all about the rehearse, guys. Thank you.